In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install DirectX on Windows 11. If you play games or run multimedia apps, DirectX is the set of technologies that makes graphics, sound, and input run smoothly. Windows 11 already includes DirectX 12, but many games still need older DirectX components. The process we're covering installs those legacy runtimes safely and correctly. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Microsoft DirectX download page. The easiest way is to search for DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer and pick the result from Microsoft's website. Always download from Microsoft to avoid unwanted software or outdated files from third-party sites. On the download page, you'll see a brief description and a download button. Click it to begin. Next, you'll download the DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. This is a small tool that connects to Microsoft's servers and fetches only the components your system needs. You don't have to worry about 32-bit or 64-bit here. The installer detects your setup automatically. Save the file to a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. Now, run the installer you just downloaded. Double-click the file, review the license terms, and accept them to continue. You may see a checkbox for optional offers. You can safely deselect anything that isn't required for DirectX. Then proceed through the prompts. The installer will download and install the necessary DirectX files, and you might be asked for permission to make changes. Choose Yes to allow it. This step can take a few minutes depending on your connection and what your system is missing. After the installation completes, restart your PC. Rebooting helps Windows register the new components and ensures any files that were in use get updated properly. Even if you aren't prompted to restart, it's a good idea to do it now to avoid conflicts with running applications or games. Once your system is back up, let's confirm everything is in place. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type DexDiag, then press Enter. This opens the DirectX diagnostic tool. On the System tab, look near the bottom for the DirectX version line to verify it's recognized. You can also switch to the Display tab to see details about your graphics driver and feature levels. If the tool opens without errors and shows your version, DirectX is installed and working. That's it. You've installed DirectX on Windows 11 and verified it successfully. Enjoy smoother performance and better compatibility in your games and apps.